Sorry, this is a joke, but look, this is my dance. The champion is my kuya. Oh my god. Look.
Ibalik sa... Kajut lang yago.
Oh, come on.
Ibalik sa sugod pinakakatawanan.
What's that? Oh my god, that's a joke now. No, wait, I have this lightsaber. It's so mad. So mad. Oh god. I just tripped. Oh, like, my leg's so dead. I just tripped over in Robinson's. Like just today. I just got back and look at this. And you can slice your arm with it. I hope my classmates watching this video right now. Look. Oh, so mad. Look. Oh. Oh. So mad. It's like a real lightsaber. Like, I hope my friends are watching this video so Asa. Ow. Asa ni? Lol.
Ano mo bike dalan?
Si bike. Dili. Sige ra ko ka trip.
Hindi man. Maanad na magkadayan.
Wait. That was us. Ang gusto kay Nerf gun. Nasa Robinsons. No, that was a joke.
Din siya nung Nerf gun. Oh, anak. Happy boy. Anak.
Lol. What was that?
Anak. Happy boy.
This is the coolest part.
Anak.
And-
Muto ako tanaw
and-
nina.
I don't like recording a vlog because I'm like looking at myself.
Tanaw ako
I don't know how to record in video games. I don't know how to edit. No. That's it. I won't end the video today. Just 4 minutes. Yeah, it's 3:10 hours late. Oh my god. Like, look at this clock. I don't know how to edit, so I won't do it. Look at the clock. Look at the clock. So mad. I won't sleep today, but just soon. I hope Marcos is watching this and Micah Mirari. Please watch this video, guys. Please. Wait, this is my thing. Oh, it's loud. It just hurt me. Look at this gun. So creepy.
Yes, Joe.
Like, look, he likes it. Ooh. But he has more. One. He has 3. Like $3 now. That's the one. The warning of today. 3 a.m. That's scary, I would say. So what is this? Is this a diaper? Things? Bell things a diaper. Oh.
No.
Diaper ko.
That's baby.
No. Mine. It doesn't fit. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's rising. Oh, blind by the light. But I don't know how to record this part because I'm in a cell phone, which is so bad. I don't know what to title, but I'm just gonna title it with dot dot dot. Okay, I don't know how. I'm not a YouTuber though. I'm just a vlogger. This is my third video. Ja- I'm almost 8, but I'm 7. This September 30, it's my birthday, and I'm 8. To tomorrow, that, like, seriously, that's so cool. Wait, dolls. Ma, sorry ka English kay mamay Amerikano sige kuan di ba? Ha? That was other language, so sorry. I don't know how to record this. It's so heavy. Like, look, it's so heavy. Ow. I broke my head. What's inside? Oh, what's inside this? What? Wait. What? Oh, yes, from Star Wars. Oh, yes. What? I have a feeling now. Ma, unsa ni? Didi na? Didi mainani ma. Didi matuha. Ang ko na try.
Asus, I must take my baby, not one. My baby's not sleeping. Yay! Yes! Oh, she's so. Bendy girl and bendy girl and bendy girl and bear and bendy girl and bendy girl and bendy girl. I say bendy girl. And what's that?
No, there's no internet. I'm just connecting the internet. You want no internet?
Wait, so I plug it? Ma, so plug the phone. It plugged me. What? Looks like. Wait, my video. Like, I don't. What? I need to plug this? Please subscribe and comment if I do. Because I don't know. Sorry. I'm gonna end this video today. I'm just gonna end with this. Bye. Oh my god, it's 8 minutes now. Oh my god. Let's stop this.